Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. This is how to do loops. This is a 2.25 millimeter looper. Put through here. And then this is just the first one. So, boom. That gives you your first loop. That one's a little bit, I guess we call it crooked, but not bad. Use that to make it more even if you want. So then I'm going to cut off. I'm actually doing something a little different with my Our Father bead. So I'm going to go about 2 inches here. I'll cut this off. Ready? Now, what I'm going to do is start putting the beads on here. Right now, what I'm going to, this Our Father bead, I think it's pretty cool. Oops, I don't want that one yet. I'm going to go with a bead cap. Okay, bring that down. I'm going to do this kind of crystal looking one. Okay. And then I like to make this fit into my rondelle. So I can say, help me rondelle, help me rondelle. So there's that. Now this one's an orange Our Father bead that I'm going to use. So all I'm going to do is repeat this on this other side here. So what do we got? The rondelle, the crystal bead. I have one. There we go. And then another bead cap here. Oops, where's that? Here's one. Okay. So there's all that. Now, I like to use these flat nose pliers. And I'll kind of grab it here, but I'm going to push this down. So I'm trying to make this as tight, this bead as tight as possible. So I'm going to come here and I'll bend it. You can do about a, I don't know what, 90 degree, actually more. So keep going. So I don't really like that. I'll do that one more time. Come on, baby, let's see. Okay. That's pretty good. We'll see. So about like that. Now I'm going to cut this off using this. Snippers, right? So I usually do about what? About a 1/4 inch here. So you can see you do have to watch. You see where it's actually doing the cut, right? So it's in a little more. Not that that's going to make a huge difference, but so hopefully we're good. Take a clip. Now I'm going to take these purple rounded ones. Put this here. I go about this far on those. You don't want that to stick out, so I might want to go a little bit more. And then you'll start to roll. Okay. And then you'll see this kind of taking place, taking shape here. Let me see. I'm gonna come. Oh, lost it. So it's a little slippery. So usually I need to switch tools here. So I'm gonna actually now go to this. This tool is really neat. This will actually grab it and then help me twist it on there better. I'm gonna actually flip this so it's more on that side of things. So there we go. So you can see I'm gonna do this here. Kind of bend it. Kind of just squeezing it and then kind of shaping it. Okay, there we go. So boom. pretty good. So there's your Our Father bead, tight as a drum. Okay, and I mean you can do. This is kind of my style as far as that goes. You can see I've got another one here. I'm doing that same kind of, crystal bead cap thing, and then I've got another one here. I've done it. Same thing where you have this bead cap, no crystal here, but the crystal in the middle. But I like this style, and I do like to use this thicker wire. This is a 1 millimeter wire for this large of a crucifix and Our Fathers. So, all right.